The coefficient of the x squared term in a quadratic function affects the width of the parabola as well as the direction in which it opens. When the absolute value of m is less than the absolute value of n, the graph of y equals mx squared is wider than the graph of y equals nx squared. Consider this example. Y equals negative 2x squared, graphed here in a downward opening parabola in orange, and y equals negative 4x squared, similarly graphed in blue. Since the absolute value of negative 2 is less than the absolute value of negative 4, the graph of y equals negative 2x squared is wider than the graph of y equals negative 4x squared. Problem 3. Comparing widths of parabolas. Use the graphs below. What is the order from widest to narrowest of the graphs of the quadratic functions f of x equals negative 4x squared on the far left, f of x equals 1/4 x squared in the center, and f of x equals x squared on the right? Of the three graphs, f of x equals 1/4 x squared is the widest, and f of x equals negative 4x squared is the narrowest. So the order from widest to narrowest is f of x equals 1/4 x squared, f of x equals x squared, and f of x equals negative 4x squared. Your turn. What is the order from widest to narrowest of the graphs of the functions f of x equals negative x squared, f of x equals 3x squared, and f of x equals negative 1/3 x squared?